Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. It's Context Change Week, hashtag Context Change Week here at today's Tàijíquán Tip, also hashtag TTT. I'm at Someday Farm. This is probably going to go live in December, but it's, I think, about the last day of July here. It's pretty warm. So the view you have is perhaps not the view that you're going to be having outside your own window, but it might kind of fit this particular tip. So today's tip, again, context change, is about changing your external and or internal context, which should allow an opportunity to change your view and or your viewpoint. The idea of that is not necessarily to challenge you, although it certainly can be, but maybe just to support the curiosity of change. And my particular idea here is that the new view or viewpoint may allow you to see a different understanding of the meanings of the postures, the energies, the jins, the practices that we have in our Tàijíquán. And it may allow you to see different connections or new connections between different portions of the form or different sequences or different namings or different moves themselves or energies. This particular one is about changing the weather that you practice in. For many people, this is going to be pretty easy because while they might never practice outside, so then this tip is probably really just practice outside at all and you've changed the weather. But I suppose it could be inside, practice without the fan on you, practice without the AC on you, or practice with the AC pumping and it's chilled. But either way, that's kind of weather, I suppose. But I'm particularly thinking about outside, and if you practice outside, as I think many people do, with some frequency, they probably think, well, I do practice in different types of weather. But you probably haven't practiced in a hailstorm. And maybe you shouldn't, maybe that's not safe, but maybe it can be done. Maybe you practice outside under cover with the hail, for example, or with a hard hat on, I don't know. But you probably haven't practiced in a really driving rain or in a blizzard. Maybe you've practiced when there's been a little bit of snow or a light rain. But the idea is to try and find a different weather to practice in. Not asking you to be unsafe, so a lightning storm is probably a bad idea. But practice, feel the different air, feel the different feelings, feel the different energies, and see what that rejiggers in your mind in terms of understandings and insights. So enjoy that, enjoy life, enjoy the weather. Weather is change, change is life. Life is this whole thing that we're working on and working through, and we're doing it together. Thanks for your support.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.